So, you've started working with Microsoft Office 365 and SharePoint. That's great. SharePoint Online includes tools to help you and your team work together like never before. Moving content to the cloud unlocks the power of your information through better organization, collaboration, and automation. But all these tools can be overwhelming, and you're sure to have questions. Maybe you've searched online for answers, watching videos that were long and confusing or not what you needed. Introducing SME, SharePoint Made Easy. With SME, you'll find tutorials created for the rest of us, explaining complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand. Learn to get the most out of SharePoint and start creating solutions right away so you can work smarter, not harder. SME, SharePoint Made Easy. Tutorials for the rest of us.